These are my Coleus plant collection. I have about couple of colors with me. I have put them in the ground. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make free plants out of Coleus, even if you have one plant with you. Select some healthy cuttings of Coleus. Here I took one stem, and from another color also I'm going to add, and here I have another one. So I'm going to propagate them now. Propagate them in water. Take a clean water glass and put them in water to propagate. This is how you make free plants out of any plant, any Coleus plant. After 2 to 3 days you will see they are rooting. So this is how you propagate Coleus in water, and the other method you will see in the video. So make sure you watch the video until the end. Coleus plants need the semi-shade. They will grow in the partial to medium sunlight but not in the bright sunlight. So Coleus plant also will grow without fertilizer. You don't need any fertilizer to grow them. Only provide them a shady area in your garden and they will sure to color your garden, because these are very beautiful decorative plants. So the first thing is, to make free plants, what you got to do is take some healthy cuttings from a mature plant. Now I'm going to cut this plant. Here's one stem. I have one stem with me, and also I'm going to make multiply and make free plants out of them. So I'm going to take couple of stems. So anyway, these plants last for about 6 to 7 months. After that they grow leggy. After that you will have to remove them. So better make free plants out of them. After every 6 months do some pruning is advisable. Plant has become so leggy. Now I'm going to prune them and take some cuttings out of them so that I can have many free plants out of these. So here another color, another variety of Coleus. So I'm going to cut and prune them. You can simply put them in water to propagate too. So having healthy stems, taking healthy stems from the mother plant and putting them in soil will give you a good healthy, easily give you a lot of free plants. So what you need is, you need a pot of garden soil. You need a medium sized pot, not a very small pot. So whatever the plant, somewhere big or medium size, because small pot will not be enough for these Coleus plants to grow. They need some space. So now here I have medium size pot, and I have took garden soil, some sand and cocoa peat, because these plants prefer the moisture in the soil. So here we are putting all the colors together in the same pot, because when they grow there will be a colorful and very attractive, elegant plant full of Coleus. Coleus plants will grow without fertilizer as well. So now here my pot is full of new stems. Only do not overwater them and do not keep them in the bright sunlight area. So now I have a pot full of Coleus stems, and I'm going to keep it in the shade after giving them water. So friends, I'm giving water to these plants, and after that I will be keeping them in the shade until they grow. So this is a beautiful decorative plant for your home, and it is really very easy to make free plants out of them. And also this plant doesn't need any fertilizer, as they are permanent and low maintenance plants. They are low budget plants. So grow this beautiful decorative plant, and I hope you find the video very useful. If you are new, consider to subscribe, and thanks for visiting Tamara's garden. Thank you.